Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. My name is Alejandra Arce, and I'm going to talk to you about the creation of my portfolio. I'm going to talk to you about the process of the creation and what the creation means for me. First, I start creating a kind of a sketch in a piece of paper. This is this is the cat, and this is a forest. And after to do this, I start making an image on my computer. After having my sketch, I decide um, to start editing my image. So I put shadows, colors, and things, details, terrific that the image have for me.
Now you are saying a little about the process of this creation. As you can see, symbolize the death of the cat, and I think too the perversity of the murder to do that madness with an animal. And as you can see, the cat is accompanied by a dog that for me comes to take it as the essence of Berenice. I think that. Um, in another way, I think that this book has a little connection um, with other stories. I think that. Yes, I think that could be a little connection between the stories. So for that, I create that image and that sketch and all this.
Okay, that is my process of my creation of my portfolio. And thank you to see my video, and thank you for all. Bye bye.